Welcome back, my dear students. I'm super excited. I think we are almost done with this pagination. I think this would be the last lecture. Okay, I'm going to try to make it quick and let's try to make this work. Okay, so let's get to it. Okay, so we got our buttons, we got our middle numbers here, okay, with some links. We got everything going on. What are we missing? Okay, that's what we got to first check. Let's come here. We have a query that we're building here that we're going to be using to display the numbers. This is query number 2, display the products actually. So that's what we got to be using right here. Query number 2, because that query number 2 now is this page is going to be controlled by this query, right? So make sure that you save that. And let's see if we can see just 6 products here. And as you can see, this is working. Pretty cool, right? So we know that our query is working, and this is not the second page here. Okay, this is my second project. That's different. This is the one that we're working on. So you can see that this is working. Well, we can't see the link. So let's work on that. So how can we see this? Well, I want to actually display this after this while loop. I don't want to display it inside the while loop, right? Because it's going to be a mess. So right here, we are echoing the product. Let's echo out some type of, actually we have to close a UL right here. Okay, so let's do that now. UL, and right here. Let's actually give it a class so that way our links work. As a matter of fact, we had this link somewhere here, right? Right here. Let's just take that and use it right here. Simple, right? And instead of doing middle numbers here, we have a different variable called output pagination that is going to be doing that for us. Voila, just like that. Let's see if this works. I'm gonna save it. Let's come back here. And as you can see, our pagination looks like it's working, guys. Let's go to number 4. Number 4 is working. We have some problems here though. We're getting some space issues there. Let's come back here real quick. This is probably because I have some space somewhere. Once I click there, I got space in those links. Let's finish actually. What could that be? Oh, could it be that? Those spaces for the next button. Let's come back here and let's see. That's a space problem though. And that's page all have spaces. When did that happen? I think that's what it is. Let's come back here. That's a space for sure. We got to figure out where that space is coming from. There we go. That's what it was. So when you see those percentage, that's a space. Okay. Okay. So that's our pagination is working. There's nothing else that we got to do. Okay. We could, if we wanted to, actually put this right in the middle. So let's play this with, let's do some CSS here, and let's see if we can get this right in the middle. Let's target this guy here, and let's just say, well, text align center. That does not work. This is a UL. What about some margin? 0 auto. Nope, nope, no. I got an idea. Let's come back here and let's just create a div and close this in a div like this. And let's just do some inline styles here. so that way we don't have to deal with doing this via CSS. This is when you're doing something really small like this. This should be good. Even though I don't think we need to clear this out like this. There is a Bootstrap class called, text center that can help us align this. Let's save it. Let's go back to it. And there we go, right in the center. Let's come back to that. I don't think we need this clear here. I think that's flushing fine. Okay, yeah, that's flushing really good. Okay, we're done, guys. Let's go to number 2. That's number 2. Number 2 there. Number 3 should give us more links. Selecting that. Number 5, 7, 8. Guys, thank you so much. I hope you appreciate these lectures. I hope for some of you that gave this course 4, 3, 2 stars for some reason, consider your feedback, okay? Thank you again, and I'll see you on the next lectures, which I plan to make for this course. I plan to create some more features, so keep tuned for that. See you in the next lectures or course. Bye-bye.